Okay, welcome back. Just about 2 minutes to go for market closing. We're going to end with about 170 points in gains. Percentage terms wise, that is just under 1%. And, it's the story, of course, has been just the Bank Nifty as well. Before I get to the broader market, Bank Nifty will end a little better, 1.25% on the Bank Nifty. So that's about 450 odd points in terms of gains. And the mid and the small cap part of the market did even better. I think broadly 1.5% to 1.75% gain on the mid and small cap part of the market. Holiday tomorrow, and one can only hope that when we come back on Friday, these gains can be held. Prima.
Phenomenal move in the last 1 hour on expiry day. So closing above 17,100. The gains were led by the Adani Group stocks. Adani Enterprises pushing towards a 10% rally. Adani Ports gaining 7.5%. Autos in top gear, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors, all ending with gains ranging between 2 to 3 odd percent. HCL Tech outperformed in the entire IT basket, so HCL Tech was higher in trade. Apart from that, ONGC made an up move. Britannia has been showing strength of late. Britannia has rallied 2% this week. So it's not just today, but over the last couple of days, Britannia has been pushing higher. Few losers by the end of close. You've got UPL, you've got a Bharti Airtel and Reliance Industries. But again, the loss is not very significant.
Well, gains and more gains for the mid-cap market. The index is going home with a 1.6% surge. And you have some big movers and shakers out there. NBCC and Macro Tech, these are stocks we were just discussing. Add of Phoenix Mills, about a 4%, 5% up move over there. Of course, a lot of the Adani Group stocks have had a very, very smart session. Adani Enterprises, as the bell goes off, is up almost 10%. Ports on the large cap screen, of course, was up about 7% as well. Power and a couple of others were also up and about. Then some of the smaller names like an RHI Magnesita, where promoters are looking to put some money in the company. 4.5% on the upside over there. PSU banks did extremely well, whether you're looking at a UCO, Bank of India, IOB, gains between 6-7%, depending on which stock you're picking up. An NHPC, 9% higher. On the small cap screen, a Royal Orchid, 15% higher. Big moves across the board coming through. IRB Infra, 7 to 8% higher. So a good day for the mid caps. Z Entertainment, let's just check the final rates as there was positive news flow from the NCLT with respect to at least their issues with IndusInd Bank having been settled. 3% up on Z as well. The only loser which perhaps really deserves a mention on the back of news flow is South Indian Bank. Final rate is around 13%, 12.5 to 13% lower, as the present MD has decided not to seek a reappointment. But otherwise, guys, after a really long time, right, we have a solid screen and we have a market that's ended at the high point of the day. Prashant, I don't remember the last time I used that phrase.
Bulls can go into their holiday peacefully and sleep tonight, right?
Just one day.
It's one day, but
there's a holiday in between.
Take what you get, guys, and be happy.
We've all been talking about this tactical up move. Is this the
it's finally happened, at least it's
tactical
finally.
up move? Let's hope so. Have a good holiday tomorrow. And of course, we'll see you back on Friday morning. But programming continues here on CNBC-TV18. Don't go anywhere. Our special offering, the winning mindset, comes up next. Stay tuned.